Hi guys, and welcome to another weekend vlog, or a weekend in my life. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this. We are in like day 752 of lockdown in Toronto. We are in yet again another lockdown, so here we are with another vlog in lockdown because that is just our life in Toronto. I am currently wrapping up some projects for my last semester of third year. But that being said, I received a couple packages in the mail. Most of them are kind of from small businesses. I ordered these and they all just kind of came together, which is kind of crazy. The first thing I got is from these small, actually I believe that they're all small businesses. This one is from Mount Lye or Lay. I actually have no idea, but this is a small business and they sell it at Sephora, but this particular product, they were actually sold out, so I actually found it on Dynamite's website, but I checked yesterday and they actually don't sell this anymore. They don't sell like just this on its own, and what this is this is a jade gua sha tool. I think I'm saying that right. I could be very wrong, but it's one of these like facial tools, and this one is jade. They also have one that's like rose quartz and amethyst, I believe. This was $44, and I believe that the set is actually $58. If it's still available, I will link it in the description box down below, as well as all the other things that I'm going to share with you, because it is so important to support small businesses. If you are from Toronto, Ontario, we're all dealing with the still present pandemic, so support your small local businesses. The next thing that I got was, sorry, it came in this like packaging, which was weird, so I'm reading the thing that you know, my mail was damaged apparently. That's why they put it in this plastic. So this is from Golden Blooms, and obviously I am so freaking obsessed with this brand. I talk about it all the time. They're based in Toronto. They make gold filled, sterling silver, and recently solid gold jewelry pieces that are very dainty and made for everyday wear. I love ordering from small businesses because they give you cute little thank you cards, and I always keep these because I know how much support and purchasing and ordering from them means to them. But anyways, it comes in this cute little box. I think it's like blown out, but regardless, I don't even know if you could see that. So, oh, it's upside down. So what I ordered was the 10K solid gold willow ring, and I got a 6. So it looks like this. So this is the willow ring. It's just a simple dainty gold band, nothing fancy. This one is the sunrise ring, which is a beautiful 10K solid gold as well signet ring, and these are both from Golden Blooms, and I will link them in the description box down below. I always recommend them if someone is asking for like local small businesses that they could support. I always recommend them because they are just the best. So the next package, I actually wasn't expecting this to come yesterday. I came across this small business called Bella Buddha Beads on Instagram. I messaged them talking about their hair clips and whatever, and it's funny because I messaged them on my Instagram, and if you follow me on Instagram, my last name isn't Gabrielle, it's actually my middle name. People will address me, especially if I reach out to them, they'll address me as Kiana Gabrielle because like that's what my name is. It's funny because on the package, I don't know if I can, okay, so hopefully you guys will be able to see that, but it's addressed to me as K Gabrielle, which I think is just so funny. The packages I obviously order, I just like put my first and last name, so it's kind of funny to see my middle name on there. This box is so difficult to open. This is so tough. Okay. Ooh, cute. See, again, they just, small businesses just do it right. Okay, so thank you card. The owner of the Bella Buddha Beads, her name is Jessica, and here is all of her information if you want to screenshot it. I will also put her store's Instagram in a link in the description box down below if you want to purchase anything. I ordered some claw clips because I've been seeing these specific claw clips from a different business, but they were so expensive, and I found the exact same ones. Let's unbox it together. So, oh, So there's 3 clips in here. I thought I only ordered 2. I thought I only ordered this one and then this color, which is stone. But there's a pink one. Maybe I'm forgetting and I ordered it, or this is the clip that I've been wanting for my hair for so long. The thing about these claw clips is that they're typically a plasticky material that is like super cheap, and this one is good quality because it bends all the way, which is important. This one is in like this pretty marbled color. This one is, I believe, in the color stone, and I don't know what this one is. Don't remember ordering this one. So all these small businesses, their owners are like super sweet and I love them. Check them all out if you want any of these pieces because I'm so excited about them. I just love unboxing shit. But right now I am going to get into work mode, do some work things, kick out some projects, and I will catch you guys in a bit.
Look, I hope you don't go taking this the wrong way. If life is a bitch and we ain't gonna date, I just know I could be doing it better. I don't need nothing to get in my way. I'm feeling good, feeling great, I'm fantastic. I'm feeling fine, man, I thank you for asking. Either it's money or fate that gets put on your plate. I ain't eating no paper or plastic. I was the one that was egging your house. I was the one getting chased by the cops. I was the runner the pack, always up in the back. I ain't care if you like me or not. I never listen to none of my teachers. Tell me I'm never becoming a leader. Oh, that negative leave a bad taste like some pineapple up on my pizza. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. Yeah. I'm not sorry.
Hello, I have not talked to you guys in a hot minute. You would have seen me finish my project or like work on it. I did finish it. I submitted it. It was good. I also painted my nails. I don't know if I mentioned I was gonna do that. I literally did the exact same design that I had on before. Cute, yeah, they're just like flowers. This week is my last week. I will have more time to create content. I kind of fell off in March and obviously in April, but I'm going to be going back into that because I have no plans, and again we're in lockdown again, which means there is no hope for me getting like a job at the mall or anything. I am still currently working on trying to get an internship or something, but for right now my focus will be on creating content for YouTube. It's currently around like 7 o'clock, so I am not gonna do any, or like kids screaming. I'm not gonna do anything else really. I don't even remember what I did in this weekend vlog. All the days in lockdown are like blended together. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed some part of this video. I know maybe this was a bust because lockdown is like the same thing every single day. If you enjoy any of the content in this video, follow me on TikTok because that's typically where I do like these little highlight reels for every day, or I haven't been doing it recently. I hope you're excited for the summer because I know I am. Stick around if you enjoy vlogs. Summer is typically when I become the most fun and the most lively. My birthday is in the summer. Summer in Toronto is so special and has a very special place in my heart, so I hope you guys stick around, and I will see you guys in my next vlog or my next video. Bye.
Look up at the sky.